Good morning, people. New weekend.
Hello.
New day, new weekend. Very bright. Oh god. We are heading out. We are heading to IKEA. Yeah, aren't we? We're going to IKEA.
Yep. Not for anything specific.
Just going to get out of the house for a bit.
Just going to go and look.
Yeah. Are the wellies in your car?
Yes.
We'll go for a walk after, shall we? So I need to get a coat, don't I?
Yeah, where's it? In your car?
Yeah. So, but yeah, we're going to IKEA. We're going to go on a walk after that. I don't know what else we're doing. I've got to work later tonight, and then football tomorrow.
Yeah.
Bathroom's getting painted tomorrow as well, isn't it?
Yep.
So, should we go?
Yep. This is Jake's little dream room, innit?
Welcome to my desk.
Except we're in IKEA.
IKEA.
What have we got so far? We've got a shelf,
Shelf.
a fake plant,
Fake
and
plant.
a plant pot to go with that fake plant.
And that's it.
And then we're going to get some meatballs, but we've got to wait 20 minutes.
Hungry. I'm hungry. Are you hungry?
I mean, I'm not hungry, but I want meatballs.
Okay. So she wants meatballs.
Plant
Someone decided to break a plant pot as we're coming out of IKEA.
Quite literally like 30 seconds after we bought it.
Useless.
Veggie rolls, please.
Your honest review on this?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Got fresh chips straight out the chipper. And the gravy just makes the meatballs, and you can't come to IKEA without eating the meatballs.
True.
All the breakfast, like food. You need to eat food. There is said broken pot.
Who broke it?
Me. And now we're sitting in exchanges, waiting. I'm sure.
She's shopping for jeans, aren't you? She's got some on. Quite nice. Shows your jeans. We are home. Beth has something she wants to say to everyone.
No, you need to come and see it.
Okay. Let's go and see it. What's she got now?
If you ever go IKEA, you need to buy these because they're really nice. Hi.
Okay. Editing Jake here. Can confirm they are very, very nice. Not life-changing nice, as Beth says. They are very, very nice. Back to the video. What she said. We are going to be putting this, what we've brought from IKEA up. Oh, there goes a cat. This, well, doesn't have a picture on it. But basically it's for the bathroom, isn't it? To put all the stuff on.
Yeah.
And then mowing the front lawn, and then I'm chilling until I go work
Can
later.
you put the shelf up yet?
No, not yet, because I need painting.
Can't you put it on before you paint?
Oh. So, yeah.
I can't do it. No, I'm so wrong
Okay,
with
she's
it.
going to try again. Hey, there we go. It is done. Finito.
Just a little like rack to put all our towels and bits and
Bobs.
shits on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now I need to go and dress it upstairs.
You can have fun with that, can't you?
Yeah.
Good
Can we
fry.
carry it up?
And this is what Beth's done, isn't it?
Yeah.
You happy with it?
I think so, yeah. For a first attempt, it's good. Just ignore the walls, they're obviously being painted.
Yeah, we're getting these painted tomorrow to finish it off.
Yeah, and the shelf
Yes.
will go up there.
Perfect fit.
Bits on and...
Yeah. But yeah, I like it. I think the picture looks good there as well.
Yeah.
The sort of running
Following
theme.
the green theme.
Yeah.
We just need another plant to go on the shelf. And then I think it'll be about ready.
As mentioned in the last video, I have started a new job in construction, and obviously this is the first week, so I've been working for a week. Next week will be the second. I'm quite enjoying it actually. Must admit, at the start of the week, after the first hour, after the heavy lifting, I was like, not for me. But I stuck with it and actually really do enjoy it now. Quite look forward to going back on Monday. So yeah, I've actually got some clips of me doing, like, just showing a bit of what we're doing, so you get a good understanding of what work I'm going into. So I'll do that now. My other uniform that I have to wear, isn't it?
Yeah.
To deliver for the Domino's. You're not normal, are you? Nor am I. But what time is it?
4:15.
4:15. So I'll leave soon. So I need to go and get some petrol. So, and then go and work for 5 hours.
And a bit of dollar.
Yeah. So yeah, I will see you either on my job round or later when I get home, or tomorrow morning. I'm not sure yet.
What am I doing?
Well, yeah, what are you doing?
I'm gonna go over to Mum's and get our washing, because update, our washing machine is still broke.
Yeah, it's still broke. Annoying.
What else? Watch Too Hot to Handle. No, Love Is Blind actually.
Yeah, that's about it, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's very nice out. Look at the weather.
Beautiful.
The weather actually really is good.
It's been such a nice day.
It really has. Really has. So yeah, I'll go work. Lovely weather for once, and I've got to work in it.
What else would you be doing?
What is she doing? Making a right racket. I don't know, could have gone on a walk.
Yeah,
All sorts of things. So, yeah. Alright. Catch you later.
Yeah, we late, but this shit's fantastic. For the ages, feels like it's magic. Hear the clock been haunting my dreams. It's been ticking for hours, ticking for hours.
Yeah, I feel so old. Gotta waste no time, gotta wait in line, and the weather's so cold. Should've brought my coat at the end of the line, on my shit untold. Messed up a lot, used to be waiting for something or someone to give me my spot. God only show you the way, it's all up to the plan and the paper and people you brought. I learned what I taught, I hope that they notice and give us a shot. I swear I mean team, been lying a lot, might give us away. And what is the cost? The truth I won't face, I think that we caught. I hear what you say, but jealousy rots the brain, the fame, the game. I know you a fan of me, feeling me, you can't get rid of me, calling the SWAT.
Time is running out. It's been moving, but we still don't have a crowd.
Literally not a cloud in the sky. It's lovely. And the girls are out. Army holes. They love the garden so much. Bells is down there, you might be able to see her. And Holes has just run away. Yeah, Dad's up there painting the bathroom.
We are heading to Mum and Dad's. Morning, by the way. We've not actually said morning at all today.
It's not, and it's what time? Nearly. Well, it's 2:30.
2:30. Amazing. Yeah, because our bathroom's been painted, as you've seen previously. Can't use shower, so we're going to head over to Mum and Dad's to have a shower. Probably should ring them to see if they're in. I think they are in, but we'll double check. And then what else are we doing today?
Ethel.
Yeah, we've got a mini Sunday roast, didn't we, for dinner?
Yeah.
Which is quite exciting.
Gammon.
So we'll see you then. And we have been to my mum and dad's.
Yes.
I all showered up, haven't I?
Freshened up. Yes.
Freshened up. We're just going to head to shopping now because we need to not get a full shop, but just to see it over for a couple of days, and then yeah.
Yeah, we don't want too much in the house, to be fair, because we're going away.
Yeah, that's true. Go away next weekend. There's another good solid vlog for us, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. Let's go shopping, shall we?
Shopping. Prepping lunch and dinner. Lunch, just waiting on the eggs. Jake's doing the, what is it called? Steamer. Got gammon on the go.
It's our new favourite thing, isn't it?
What?
Gammon.
Yeah, I'm the slow cooker.
Yeah.
I'm the steamer, actually.
Yeah.
We love it all.
And Beth is serving up dinner. There's the veg, because you need veg because it's good for you, isn't it?
Yeah.
And here, oh, it looks so good. I'm gonna have so much. The gammon, isn't it? Looks very nice.
Yeah, it does.
And then in here,
I'm doing that now.
we've got like the roast. Oh, here she is.
Oh,
What?
we've got no cauliflower cheese.
I'll have some of mine.
No, there's hardly any there.
Cauliflower cheese.
I think one.
And tell you what, this is what you call a proper Sunday roast, eh?
Yep. I've started eating already, love.
Look at it. That's beautiful. That's digging, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you've already digged in anyway.
Mm-hmm.
We have eaten our Sunday roast.
Bye.
Oh, she's off. She's off. She's just there. Yeah, we've finished eating our Sunday roast.
Yeah. Full
Um,
up now.
Full up to here. So, I think it's a good time to finish the vlog, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Enjoy it?
It's been quite a nice weekend, actually. Like, really nice weather. Been to IKEA. Finishing the bathroom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. Oh, there you go. Subscribe, and we will catch you in the next one.
Yep. Oh, it'll be Edinburgh next week.
Yes.
That'll be good.
So, a special vlog, Edinburgh vlog.
And my birthday. My birthday on Thursday.
Yeah, birthday on
And then we
Thursday.
go Edinburgh on Saturday.
So, I got a cut on my nose. I have. Right. Yes, we'll see you. We'll see you next weekend, right? Goodbye.